Hi, welcome to Lala's World. Today is how to add YouTube chapters in your YouTube video. Be sure to click subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out when new videos are posted. YouTube chapters is a feature that allows viewers to scroll over the play progress bar and see which topics are covered in a section of a video. And click that section and go to the topic. To set this feature up, make sure you're signed into your YouTube channel. Look to the top right and click on your profile picture. Click on YouTube Studio. Look to the left menu and click on Content. Find the video you want to edit, then hover over and click the pencil icon to edit your video. In your description box, enter your timestamps with the title of each chapter. As you can see, I've already done this for this video. Keep in mind that in order for timestamps to appear in your video as chapters, you have to start with 0:00. And you need to have at least 3 chapters, and the min length for chapters is 10 seconds. When you're finished, click Save. Then, click your video link to view the chapters. It will look like this, and the result will be when viewers scroll over the play progress bar, they can see which topics are covered in the section of your video, and click that section to go to that topic. Viewers also have the option to go to your description, click Show More, and see all of your timestamps if they prefer to click there and go to the section of the video. Well, thanks for watching how to add YouTube chapters in your YouTube video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If this was helpful, be sure to give it a like and share. Also, don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.